What up, free bosses? In this video, we are going to funnel hack the ultimate funnel hacker. So we are going to go through ClickFunnels.com and look at all the amazing and awesome little strategies that Russell Brunson, the expert funnel builder, is doing for his own business to get people to join into ClickFunnels. So there's a lot of information that we're going to cover in this video, all talking about sales psychology, building sales funnels, ClickFunnels little tips and strategies. So you do not want to miss this, so keep watching. But before we jump into everything, I wanted to tell you about our 100% free cheat sheet. We have a free PDF download and a video tutorial going over everything that you need to know about ManyChat and messenger marketing. If you'd like to get this, then go to bit.ly/MC cheat sheet. That's bit.ly/MC cheat sheet. That's going to open up a messenger window, so you got to make sure that you are logged into Messenger, and then we will send you the download information there to start learning about messenger marketing and everything like that. So now let's go ahead and jump into this funnel hacking video going over all the amazing things that ClickFunnels.com is doing to gain new members. All right, so we are here at the ClickFunnels website. And as you can see, the main thing that really grabs your eye is going to be this section right here. It's going to be this big headline and this image right here. I mean, at least for me, that's what grabs my attention. So it says, ClickFunnels gives you everything you need to market, sell, and deliver your products and services online. So big promise statement. This is Russell Brunson's psychology and strategy here. He always makes a big promise statement and really explains to you exactly what you're going to do, what he's promising to you. And then he always has a little subheadline saying, without having to hire or rely on a tech team. So he always will address the problem, usually when he starts with without. So a little headline note there, you want to deliver a big promise about what your product or service offers and helps people with, and then address the problem that they may be having by saying without XYZ. So right here, you can see this animation going on. Now this is a GIF. Now what I've noticed about this website is that they use a lot of GIF images to really engage with you, make the process seem more exciting, and overall, this landing page has a lot of little tools that is going to get people engaging with the site. And when you get people engaging, clicking through, watching videos, spending more time on your website, that increases the chance of them actually buying, building that relationship with them, building that trust. And when you get your audience to consume more of your media, you build that relationship and you ultimately have a much closer audience. So that is a really cool thing that he's got this GIF going on right here, making you just want to click play right there. And if you do click play, then that is going to open up this little video and it'll start playing. So below here is a little piece of social proof. Social proof is everything when marketing a product online. So as you can see, he's got a little social testimonial from Liz Benny. Now, I bet you there is a little bit of psychology behind the fact that he chose a woman testimonial right here in the main page. You know, maybe he has majority of male users and using a woman is going to grab majority of their attention, and it's a good-looking woman too, so maybe that has something to do with it. Also, he has the underlined information here. The idea of using anything else is daunting to me. So that right there, he wanted that sentence to really pop out and grab your attention. So I'm sure this is all done by Russell's design because the dude is a marketing genius, right? So now on the right side of the page, he's got this little bubble, and this is red. So he's obviously trying to grab your attention, really trying to get you to read this little area right here. So it says, take this short quiz to find out which funnel will work the best for your specific business. Now, Russell is all about quizzes, getting people to answer questions, collecting that information, getting them to make micro commitments, engaging them, getting some back and forth action going. And then it also seems like it's a more custom sale when you can get information from your prospects, from your audience, and then you introduce a solution based on the information you've gathered. The chances of them actually purchasing from you is a lot higher because in their minds, they see it as like, oh wow, this is actually something that addresses my specific and custom problems, even though they may have introduced that same solution to you no matter what it is. Like obviously this is ClickFunnels. The same solution is going to be no matter if you are a local business, network marketing, coaching, e-commerce, you know for a fact that all those roads lead to ClickFunnels. So let's just go ahead and click through so I can see what exactly this quiz does. Now I already did this, so I kind of have an idea of what's going to happen. So let's just click the top one just to kind of speed through this. It doesn't matter really what answer I give it or what I put in, because I guarantee you there are only a certain number of buckets and responses that are set. No matter what answers you type in, it is going to give you a certain result. They've probably predetermined maybe 10 different results, I would say, based on those first couple questions. So now we're going to finish this survey and go to step number 2, and I'm going to open this up in a new tab. Oh, didn't work. So anyway, here is another GIF image that you can see if I just click on that. It's basically a GIF image that shows you a little animation of the next page that is loading, and then we have here a little, your custom result saying, oh, this is a agency freelancer. That's the button that you clicked on. That's what you said that you are. So where should we send this case study to, right? So now they're trying to just get your email address. They're trying to get you to the next path. They're saying, look, we have this case study. We have the results to your survey. You want this. Let's go ahead and get your email address and we'll send this to you right now. So any little inch that they can take, they're getting your email address from you, and then I guarantee they're going to put you into an email sequence and market to you over and over and over until you become a customer. Another thing that I really like about this bot, or this little box here, is that they have you opting into their Messenger bot. So if you click send to Messenger, they're not only going to get your email address, but they're also going to get you as a Messenger subscriber. And when I was testing with this the other day, I clicked on send me the case study now, and they actually require your email address. So that is something to note right there, is that you can't just do Messenger. They primarily want your email address, and so that was something that really stuck out to me. Then they have their social proof stuff right here saying, we've been recently featured in Forbes, Entrepreneur, Huffington Post, so building credibility and stuff like that all along your customer journey of opting in and joining ClickFunnels. Okay, so now we know what this little quiz section does right here. It asks you a couple questions, and then based on your I bet you there's a different answer for each one. Let's see what happens when we click on nonprofits and we just click through anything here. I bet you it's going to say something very similar to what that previous box said, but it would have a different image. So they got that cool little GIF happening again. I love this. This is so cool that they have a little automated GIF here kind of showing a little animation. Now they're showing this guy with a nonprofit business. They're going to go over his case studies. So I guarantee you they only have maybe 10 of these different case studies or answers to this survey that you took, and then they're really just trying to get your email address. All right, so as we proceed with the ClickFunnels site, we can see down here in the bottom right there is a Get Help little bubble. Now this is pretty common on a lot of SaaS company websites. They're trying to get you to reach out to them to answer any questions. When they can have a live representative or person speaking with you directly, then that's going to increase the chances of them actually getting you as a customer, answering your objections, overcoming those problems, those concerns that you may have to best be able to sell you. So this is a great technique to have that. I would say the only downside is that it's covering their little ClickFunnels badge right there. I don't know if they really care so much about that because you're already on the ClickFunnels page. This little ClickFunnels badge is mostly for affiliate marketing. It's like it kind of comes as default on your funnel when you're actually building a funnel. It always shows. So I don't know if that is necessarily a bad thing, but it does look a little bit sloppy how it is covering up that thing right there. So as we scroll down below that top section, now we have a basic little section right here that actually introduces the offer. So now it's saying, try ClickFunnels for free. You can start your free 14-day trial. It covers a little bit of the features and benefits right here, saying it's a simple drag and drop web editor, quickly build sales funnels, smart shopping cart, email and Facebook marketing automation, everything organized in one simple dashboard. So I guarantee you that a lot of these objections or these benefits right here, they have researched and found that that's what a lot of people love about ClickFunnels. That's what a lot of the problems that the market faces, they're addressing those problems right there. And then they have this big promise headline right here saying ClickFunnels gives you everything you need to market, sell, and deliver your products online. So I'm a huge fan of these very short sentences that encapsulate everything about an idea, that are very self-explanatory, very to the point, just a one-liner that gives you exactly what it is that this company does or this product or service then solves. So I love little lines like this, and he has these kind of sprinkled around his page. So as you scroll down, now you're getting into really a longer sales letter where they're going to start addressing a lot of your concerns and really explaining the pros and cons and the features and benefits of ClickFunnels. So it says, not sure how you'd use a funnel for your company? Inside of your free ClickFunnels account are dozens of types of funnels that are scientifically proven to turn your website visitors into customers. So now they're telling you, if you're not sure if this is going to work for you, not only are you getting the free trial, but you are getting templates and already built out funnels that are proven to work for you. So there's nothing, they're decreasing that objection. Obviously, they get a lot of objections of people saying, oh, but I don't know if this is going to work for me. I don't know if this is going to work for my business. Will this work? So they're addressing that objection right there. So I would guarantee you that's probably their number one objection, and that they are trying to address right out the gate right there. Tell us your goal, and we'll show you what funnel you need, and we'll give you our highest converting funnel templates for free. So again, they're pushing their templates. They're saying that's a really big deal. A lot of people are loving their templates. They kind of call out their audience and say, look, do you want to become a best-selling author? Do you want to capture leads? Do you want to sell a product? Do you want to sell a service? Well, no matter what your goal is, ClickFunnels is going to solve your goal. So, they're saying this right here. It doesn't matter what your goal is. We can help you, and we can give you our highest converting funnel templates for free. So they're really pushing their templates, which I always thought was a pretty awesome thing that ClickFunnels does do that. Me personally, I don't really mess with their templates. I will usually change their templates so much that it's pretty much like I started from scratch, because I'm pretty familiar with ClickFunnels and building these landing pages. So me personally, their templates and that whole value that they're trying to convey there doesn't really matter to me that much, but to a lot of people I bet you it does, because they're making a big area on their website talking all about their templates. So now this is a really cool little section right here. First of all, you get this little animation where you hover over it, but when you click on these actually open up another landing page that addresses that actual concern right there. So if you say, I want to use funnels to generate leads, if you click on that, that is going to open up this page saying, so you want to generate leads. The good news is blank, blank, blank. They have a whole video talking about that and a whole page addressing getting leads with ClickFunnels. So that is really cool to see. I bet you every single one of these buttons links over to a concern. So that one says sell products. This one says the good news is we can help you sell products. Do you want to run a webinar? Oh, well, let's guess what? ClickFunnels, I would bet you, helps you run webinars. So every video, he is addressing that concern, and he's got a whole page talking about that, and he's showing you the actual funnel templates that you will get. So really diving deep down, and I guess that button probably goes to the same thing. So again, looks like he's got this same section right here as above. So that is really cool. Again, that's the offer, pitch, call to action section right there that they drop in. And then here you have another really cool little animated type of section right here where you can hover over these little boxes. So he's saying ClickFunnels can do a lot of amazing things. Here are just a couple of the things that it can do. If you're wanting to do shopping cart, email marketing, affiliate stuff, and all of these link over to another separate landing page with a video on it, because Russell is all about video. That's the main way to really sell to people online. Give a lot of information. A lot of people are about watching videos because you can only express so much information in text. But actually what I'm noticing here with this landing page is that it's massive. I mean, this is a huge sales page. It just goes on and on and on and on and on. So that is a gigantic one. Jeez. So this is a big one, all talking about high converting marketing funnels. And I mean, all of these buttons right here link over to another gigantic sales page that give you a ton of information. So as you can see, they are seriously doing a lot of selling to fully convince you that ClickFunnels is the best option. Now this is another super long sales letter type of page talking about all the things that Actionetics will do for you if you're trying to do email marketing, automation type marketing. then Actionetics is their software that can help you accomplish that. And what's interesting about this page is that there's no call to action button really anywhere until, wow. They didn't put a call to action button. Where the heck? So, I mean, that's pretty crazy right there. There should be, I mean, you would think that there'd be a call to action button like within this top area and then call to action buttons sprinkled throughout the landing page, but that is really interesting. I wonder if they messed up and forgot that or did that on purpose. Maybe there's a great idea there. I don't know. Anyway, then they have another call to action section right here. Now, the actual home page of ClickFunnels is pretty short. So this page, I mean, I've seen them redesign this page multiple times, but this is actually the shortest version that I've ever seen. So look, I'll start from the top. We'll scroll down. We go through those two sections with the little buttons. They have this little section which shows kind of the different things that ClickFunnels offers, the different parts of ClickFunnels, what you can accomplish, things like that. They got a little bit of social proof right there, testimonial, another call to action section saying, you know, buy now, get started with your free trial. Then they're talking about their community. So this is more of a social proof section, giving back, saying that we're a good company, credibility building here, social proof, trust building stuff there. Another final call to action, and that is pretty much it. So as you can see, this is a pretty basic homepage, but it's because they're linking out to so many other funnels. You know, each of these buttons links to another landing page. Each of these buttons links to another landing page. So instead of making this gigantic landing page that scrolls for days, it's got all this information on it, and the page load times would be crazy high, they decided to kind of break out and make multiple pages and just have you click to the different parts of the site depending on what you are showing interest in. So again, if you're showing interest in the shopping cart side of things, they're going to click you over to an individual sales funnel or landing page dedicated to shopping cart. If you're interested in email marketing, they're going to pop you out and go to an email marketing landing page. And this landing page is gigantic. I mean, this thing just goes on for days. Jeez. So that, I mean, that right there shows you that they have spent hours, tons of man hours on putting together this entire ClickFunnels opt-in funnel. They have the free lead magnet part right here. They have the free trial right there, call to actions up and down, kind of different verticals of the overall sales funnel depending on what you are showing interest in. So I mean, this is a very extravagant, elaborate funnel. I highly recommend that you head over to ClickFunnels and just kind of look through this for yourself. If you are interested in getting a free trial of ClickFunnels, then I would love it if you use my affiliate link. That will be linked down in the description. Also, if you have not yet grabbed our 100% free ManyChat cheat sheet, and if you are looking to learn messenger marketing, learning ManyChat, and learning how to build a subscriber list using the Facebook Messenger platform, then definitely grab our PDF download and our video tutorial that cover the 11 crucial features that your ManyChat messenger bot must have. Just go over to bit.ly/MC cheat sheet. That's bit.ly/MC cheat sheet, and we are going to send you all that information through a Facebook message. So make sure that you are signed into Messenger to get through to our free PDF download and our video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have stuck around this long, then thank you so much for watching. I mean, this is a long video right here. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.